Maybe it's your love, it's too good to be true. Baby boy, your love got me tripping.
Okay guys, so we're going to start by opening what we got. So it came in DHL packaging. And yeah, so let's get right into this. Okay, so I have my package.
Yeah, so it just came in this, so I'm gonna just put this thing right open. I feel like, oh yeah, there it is, that's that thing. So,
When I first open it up, it comes with a wig stand. That's pretty cool. So, and when okay, so this is the packaging, Luvme hair. And honestly, I love the packaging. I love that it comes in a box. It's very professional. It makes you want to have this hair. Like, it makes you love the hair because of the packaging. Like, the packaging shows so much in the company and so much of the quality. Like, nobody wants packaged hair all in a plastic, hard ass plastic bag. I'm gonna stop talking, but okay. So when you open it, hold on, I want to open it and show you guys. So when you open it, well, okay, so when you open it, you get pretty much this stuff. Okay, so this is the wig. It says Luvme hair, and this is so pretty. I love it. Okay, so this is the wig. Let me put this down. You get a wig cap. It is so bright you can't even barely see it, but you get a wig cap, and it's like a light brown color. And then you have a little cosmetics bag, and in the cosmetics bag you have a comb, which is pretty cool. You got some bobby pins, you got some tweezers, you got an elastic band for the back of your wig. That is very helpful. But I think I'm not sure, but I think it's a elastic band on the wig, but it should be. And then you have clips, so when you want to lay that lace down. And then, oops, the box just fell. Okay, so, and then, okay, wait, I'm gonna show that last. And then you have this little thing for, you know, how to use the hair and whatnot, and like the refund thing and their social medias. The last thing that you get with the hair is a flat iron if you spend like $200, I think. And I'm not sure how much the flat iron is, but I was looking up, I was doing my little research, and they were like, it's a $200 flat iron, so hey. And then yeah, so if you spend $200, then you get a $200 flat iron. So yeah, let's check out what's in here. Okay, so this says 26 because you can't really see it. 26 because it's a 26-inch wig.
ooh, I'm so nervous. I am so nervous right now. I don't know why, but because I've seen good reviews, but I'm nervous as freak to see what is in here. Okay.
Ooh, this is pretty long. This is pretty long. Okay, some wigs, they don't be going to their length. Like, they're not true to length, some wigs, some places. So it has a little net over it, so I'm gonna take that net off. And I just got my nails done, guys, and I have a bow, and it gets stuck to everything, so I'll be struggling all day to get that off, you know. I'll be struggling all day until I get these nails off, you know. So it comes with actually, see, it comes with an elastic band, which is great because I really didn't feel like sewing nothing to my head. And then it has the little white paper in the inside. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the inside of the wig. Okay, so it has a comb in the back, comb on both sides, and I think it's one at the yeah, it's one at the top, like at the middle part of your head. And this it's supposed to be pre-plucked, so let's see. Oh, and also comes with this type of lace. So I'm guessing this is basically to keep the wig snug, because why else would it be there? But the lace is supposed to be pre-plucked, so let's see. Let's check that out. I can't really see it like that, but I mean, it looks pretty pre-plucked. So, and the hair feels really good. Like, whoa, the hair feels extremely good. I can't wait to put this on my head. So Luvme hair, yes. I do see a couple of strands of hair, and yeah, I see a couple of strands of hair, so it is a little bit of shedding. Yeah, just maybe like 1 or 2. So I honestly don't know if I want to cut this off or not. But guys, I'ma just try this on real quick and let's see, you know? Let's freaking see. Okay guys, so I tried the wig on. I actually really love the texture of this hair, but yeah, the hair line is pretty plucked, but I would probably go back in and pluck some more. And this, I feel like, is this hair shedding, or is it just, okay, it's just in my face, because let me get it up my face, because I don't have time for hair to be shedding and stuff like that. But it's pre-plucked, but it's not pre-plucked to my liking. Like the sides, you can see they're pre-plucked, but I don't know, they're not good. It's not pre-plucked good enough for me. I would have to go pluck it, so I'll probably just do a video on that, styling the wig. But this wig, guys, I'm gonna show you guys how long it is, how long it goes on me.
It goes down to right here, like my hip. So it's pretty long, you know. Excuse my little, face now. Okay, so
I mean, for it to be this long, it is kind of thin. To me, because when I do my wigs, when I make my wigs, they're not this thin, but actually it looks pretty nice. It's supposed to be 180% density. So, I mean, let me see. Let me take, actually I'm gonna use the comb that they gave me. This is getting stuck to my nail. What the freak? I'm tired of these nails already, and I just got them done yesterday. Okay, so let's see. I mean, this isn't pre-plucked. Like, it's just the front that's pre-plucked, so you can't just, it's not no parts. Like, you can't just make a part and it'll be okay. So you have to, yeah, you have to make your own part or whatever. So I don't know how I'm gonna style this hair or whatever, but it's cute. I'm excited to do this shit. I'm excited. Okay, so yeah, so that is my opinion on Luvme hair. I don't know if I forgot anything. Oh, and also, you guys, this video is not sponsored, but I just want to let you guys know that they always have sales on their website. So they always have sales all the time. Like right now, I caught this wig on sale for, it was like 60% off. And then you also get another 23%, right? I think right now it's 23% off. So you get 20, this waist is like bothering me. But you get 23% off as well as the 60%. So I think it's either 60 or 50% for some of the wigs in their bundles and whatnot. So go check them out. The link will be down in the description below. Yeah, so check out some Luvme hair. The texture is really good. I've been hearing really good stuff about this, but I'm not gonna install this wig on in this video. So I'm gonna be making another video on how I install this wig, and stay tuned for that video. And I said for that video, and see you guys next time. Bye guys.
It was nice like this, feeling right like this. I never really spent no time like this, huh?